Hi there, students. Asperity. Okay, asperity is a noun. Okay, asperity talks about the harshness of tone, where you're very sharp, you're not polite and civil and nice. You're very acerbic, you're very rather aggressive and unpleasant in the way that you explain something. Yeah? So it's a harsh way of saying things, a rather bitter or angry way of explaining. So he asked with a lot of asperity what they meant by that. Yeah, so asperity is talking about being very impatient, being rather angry, being rather bitter, rather sharp with somebody when you speak to them. Yeah, so you speak with asperity. Yeah, it's rather aggressive, it's rather unpleasant. Yeah, it's not smooth and gentle, but you're rough. You're angry with them. Okay, and that's, I think, the first meaning of asperity. I think, secondly, we could talk about the asperity of a surface. So a surface could be very rough, yeah? If it's rough and uneven. So, yeah, a man's face, if he hasn't shaven, has this quality of asperity. It's prickly, it's rough. Sandpaper, the asperity of sandpaper. Is a very good example. Have any of you ever noticed the asperity of a cat's tongue? Yeah? Okay, it's not smooth at all. It's rough, it's uneven, yeah, it's even scratchy in some ways, yeah? And that's the idea of asperity. So it can be physically scratchy as well. I think if something is very severe, something very painful, you could say that it has the quality of asperity as well. Okay, so it's hard to endure. It's an affliction. So the asperity of his suffering was what was very severe. Yeah, so asperity, talking about suffering as well. Okay, so asperity, the roughness, the harshness of the way somebody says something, the roughness of a surface, the roughness of a sound, yeah? The asperity of the sound was quite harsh. The asperity of of a climate, so the asperity of a northern winter, yeah. Then asperity, bad-tempered irritability. Yeah, you don't say things in a way to please people, to make them feel better about things. You say it with a lot of asperity to well, it's just rough, it's severe, it's abrasive, it's rather sharp. Okay, so harshness of tone or harshness of quality or conditions. Okay, as to formality, yes, this word sounds rather literary, rather formal. I think asperity. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 to 7. Use in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or a formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes from asperitas, from asper in Latin, meaning rough. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Asperity.